Hello, good morning. It's already 4 o'clock early in the morning with 15, I think it's 19 minutes. And thank you, I had my yesterday, my afternoon, my what's that, until now, so I just make it off. So thank you again, thank you for watching, thank you for the 2 new subscriber of mine, and thank you again, thank you for the views, thank you the average view duration, thank you, the total likes, the 9 likes, thank you, and the total chatting. Thank you so much, and good day to all of us. Happy Wednesday to all. Nationwide, worldwide. Now I'm already here in the kitchen. I prepare the bread and I make hot the rice, and I mix it in for what's that, for the what do you call, for the lunch box of Sisi with the laban. I make for the laban. So now the weather is good. It's a very good weather. You can see. So thank you so much, worldwide, nationwide, to all people in this world. Thank you so much to all subscriber, not subscriber, viewers, not viewers, supporters, not supporters. Thank you very much talaga for the all support that you are still watching my videos, in my regular videos, in my minimum videos. Thank you in the short videos. Thank you so much talaga. And the more blessings, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Thank you to all my families, to my brother, to my sister-in-laws, to my niece, mga nieces, mga apo sa tuhod, to all angkan, to nanay and tatay. I need to off pala the aircon because was that generation now is on. Okay, so thank you again talaga. Thank you so much talaga. Thank you. God bless us all and more blessings. Keep safe to all people in this earth, to the different countries that we are in, different nationalities. Thank you, and thank you very much. That's what we have. Thank you so much.
Diyos